How to turn off contacts on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to turn off contacts on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first option that I would suggest is to go to your settings right here. So open your settings, and then there are actually two ways in turning off contacts on TikTok. Since we cannot use the TikTok app, we will just be using the settings app. So go to privacy right here, and then go to contacts right here. So once you're in contacts, scroll down and look for TikTok, and then click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part of the screen. So click on the toggle button and make sure that the toggle button now has turned into gray and not green, which signifies that contacts on TikTok has been turned off. So let's just turn off this first, and then let's go to the second option. Whichever you want to, you may do the first option or you may also do the second option. So using also the settings app, you're going to do is to go scroll down to the bottom and look for TikTok. So once you're here on TikTok, click on it, search for contacts right here, and simply turn off this button as well. So click on the toggle button and make sure again that the toggle button has turned into gray and not green. So that's it. That's how you can turn off contacts on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.